Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube. This video is not available for your account problem. It usually related to account restriction, age settings, regional limitation or policy issues. Let's see how to fix. This video is not available for your account. Step 1. Long page or long tab in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Again open your YouTube application. Go to Profile Picture. Again click on Setting icon. Click on General option. Turn off Restricted Mode. Go back. Step 4. Check your age restriction. Most common issues. Some videos are restricted under YouTube age policy. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube. This video is not available for your account problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.